Weber, what's going on?
Jesus. Give me the camera, Jesse.
What are you doing, bro?
Give me the camera. I'm gonna hurt you. I'm just gonna bash your f***ing brains in.
Hey everybody out there in YouTube wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH!
Silver.
No, you say wood, right?
Oh.
Hey everybody out there in YouTube wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU!
Who?
No, woo.
Woo! Woo! Okay, Ric Flair.
Ric Flair that. Hey everybody out there in YouTube wasteland, it's your good old pal Jess, and we are HYOH-WU! Hike your own hike with us. And today, I am joined by none other than Mr. Intensity himself, Shawn Weber. How you doing, bud?
It's Mr. Tent City.
We are in the Lolo National Forest and we are heading to Cabin Lake. It's a 2.5 mile hike in, and we're gonna hit an elevation gain of about 1,300 feet.
Got my f***ing beer.
I'll wait here for you. As we're getting closer to the lake, the views are just getting more beautiful, amazing. This is why we do this. We just made it to Cabin Lake. Let's go take a look-see.
All right, Jess. Put your back into it.
I don't even know what I'm doing. So,
Hit it. Hit the tree.
well, what are we doing?
We're wood knocking.
And what's wood knocking?
It draws them in. Wow. That's a daddy's girl. Hit. Put your back. Use both hands like you're swinging at a baseball. Better? Swing it like you know it. There you go. That's a good one. Good for you. Do another.
Should we whoop?
No. I don't believe in it.
Well, I'm gonna try. I learned something from my mom when I was hungry. when I'd be out on our back 40, she would do something for me to let me know it was dinner time.
Oh,
So here I go.
okay.
Yoo-hoo!
Oh.
Dinner time! Yo, yoo-hoo! Now what are you doing?
Do I have to explain everything to you?
You're the Sasquatch hunter.
I'm trying to draw in a Sasquatch with this cigarette. Because nicotine is highly addictive, and Sasquatch are highly inquisitive. So, if they come in, I'm gonna get them hooked on nicotine. And then they'll be mine.
And you think this is actually going to work?
Yes, why wouldn't it?
So apparently I had a sleeping buddy last night. So how did Lolo National Forest get its name? Well, let me tell you, it's an interesting story. So you see, there was this half French, half Indian fur trapper by the name of Lawrence. Lawrence was considered a half-breed. He wasn't really accepted by the Indians, and he wasn't really accepted by the paleface. Lawrence found God, or Jesus, from the missionaries that were coming through the area at the time. Now during this time, the Native Americans gave up on the missionaries. They basically thought they were liars. Lawrence, however, did not. He kept his faith.
Your story is starting to piss me off. And the camera.
No need to be all persnickety. In November of 1850, when Lawrence would meet his fate. Lawrence was out hunting bear with one of his few friends. His friend was from the Kootenai Indian tribe. The two came across a grizzly bear. Lawrence fired at the grizzly bear, but it did not kill the grizzly bear. The grizzly bear charged. In fear of his life, Lawrence ran and hid under some blowdown. The grizzly bear grabbed Lawrence's leg and ripped it completely off. While this was taking place, his Kootenai friend was feverishly slinging arrows into the side of the bear. The bear finally retreated. Lawrence's hunting buddy pulled his body out from beneath the blowdown. Lawrence bled out and died. They say that his body is buried near, ironically or poetically, whatever, I'm not sure, near Grave Creek.
For the love of God, where did Lolo National Forest get its name?
Easy there, Mr. Intensity. It's simple. Lolo is Salish Indian for Lawrence. It's that simple, that's all.
Why do they call it Cabin Lake when there's no cabins? Why do they call it Tree Fall Lake? Make more sense.
Well, it looks like we got ourselves a mountain wanderer and friend. Travis, mountain wanderer.
Greetings, viewers of the YouTubes.
It's Jason.
It's Jesse.
How you doing, Ash?
All right.
What's your name?
What's
State your
up?
business. What's your channel?
My name is Joey. My channel would be MYOWNFRONTIER. Check it out.
Yes, check out Joey's channel. It's great. He's all over the place. He goes pretty much everywhere.
Yeah, mostly the American West, but trying to branch out. Going to go international as soon as the borders loosen up a little bit. Just all kinds of places, remote places, places you don't see on the internet too often.
So check it out. My Own Frontier. Check out Mountain Wanderers. These guys are ready to get up on the trail. And that's it. I will see you later. Weber, you know what the best thing about coming off trail is?
What?
A cheeseburger.
And clam chowder. Coffee and water.
What? What? Clam chowder?
Yeah. I never go through
Get out.
Thompson Falls.
You need to
without
get out.
clam
You need to get out right
chowder,
now.
The best in the land.
It's all about a cheeseburger.
Did you talk about our clam chowder? You should.
Yeah, you should.
Is this an episode of Man vs. Food?
Delicious hamburger. Today, man beats food. This is the Prospector burger. Delicious. It's juicy, it's messy, just the way a hamburger is supposed to be.
Fulfilling.